Not just any spaghetti, spicy spaghetti from Lucy Greer. Lucy, what makes this spaghetti so spicy?
Okay, we did a couple things to make it spicy. We started off with some jalapenos, or actually just one cut up. So you could definitely increase the heat and add a few more.
Yep.
So we started with that along with our celery, onions, and bell peppers and garlic. And we cooked the vegetables down with the ground beef, and then we added some spices. So the second kind of heat was our crushed red pepper flakes, and then we added salt, pepper, some tomato paste, and some Italian seasoning. And then the third way that it's spicy is we added some diced tomatoes with chilies and just some regular crushed tomatoes. And then we just brought everything up to a simmer, and it should have just been simmering, and it's really ready to eat. So, you know, if you wanted to make it less spicy, then you could just omit, you know, some of those. Really, the easiest way would be just to use canned regular tomatoes instead of the ones with chilies. But it turns out really pretty with the vegetables in there, and it's nice to, you know, at least incorporate some veggies in there. And Chastity and I talked about a lot of people are trying to eat less carbs. And we mentioned spaghetti squash and zoodles.
Yes.
And also you could use this, and I think what I'm going to do with it is put it in some bell peppers and do stuffed peppers with it. Yeah, I like doing that. And if you wanted to add rice, you could totally do that. But like I said, if you're trying to not eat as many carbs, then I'm just going to put it, and you could use, you know, whatever color you have. I think I have one of each at home. So I'm going to put it in there and do a little cheese on top. And that'll be good.
Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Gave me an idea as well.
Yeah.
And you could still maybe throw a little bit of rice in there.
You could, definitely.
You know, it's not going to kill you.
It's not going to kill you.
Yes. What's going on at Greer's lately? Big Mardi Gras season is in full swing.
Yes, gosh. I mean, it's hard to believe that we're already in February. Super Bowl is this weekend.
Yes.
So it'll be a really big, you know, food couple days. People are, you know, still, I mean, it's like all year round down here. You know, it's like food is always kind of the center of what you're going to do.
But this is the last football game of the football season, so to speak. So it's your last chance to go all on out and get a ton of food and get some people together. That
is true. It'll be a good weekend for it. So we have everything, you know, kind of ready for that. And we have our king cakes out. And, you know, before you know it, we'll be on Valentine's Day. We'll be doing chocolate covered strawberries in all of our stores, which are a really big hit. So, yeah, we're excited. Just moving on in the new year.
I know from personal experience, the Greer's king cakes are very good. I've had plenty of it in the past. And they are great. So great place to go check that out. As you mentioned, king cake ice cream as well, a possibility. Hoping to get some more in the future at the Greer's store. So that's very good. But meanwhile, spicy spaghetti, the recipe is online. Something great to make for you and your family, and very versatile as well, as we just discussed. Thanks a lot, Lucy.
Thank you.
We'll be right back with more Studio 10 after this.